Hello, I'm John Mark Staude, President and CEO of Riverside Resources. This is another episode of John Mark's Geotutorial. Today we'll be covering two key techniques used in mineral exploration, geophysics: induced polarity, often called IP, and magnetics. These two tools are often put out in press releases and used in different mineral prospecting, thus a very good item to have in the Geotutorial series. In the geophysics, the magnetics is a vital tool for mineral prospecting and also for understanding geology. The magnetic susceptibility is how much a magnet pulls against a rock. Here, a sample of skarn that's magnetically strong will pull the magnet. This magnetic susceptibility is one of the key factors that we use in trying to target different deposit types. A second technique we use in geophysics is IP, induced polarity, where we measure the conductivity and the resistivity of rocks. We do that by applying an electrical current, and from that electrical current we therefore measure how fast the energy goes through and how strong the energy dissipates from the rocks. We use that in mineral prospecting to look for copper and gold with sulfides. Here the sample of pyrite and chalcopyrite, rich in gold and copper, is the exact type of target we use and look for with IP. For IP, a location to be used is the Katrina project in Durango, Mexico, where Riverside Resources has recently completed a major IP survey. IP is done in a series of lines. Each line can then be put together to get a volume. The red is the higher chargeability, the blue is the low chargeability. We look for high chargeability to be the sulfide. This image here going around is an example of how we can look at the material and information in space. Here we see a volume, red the chargeability, and blue the resistivity highs. These volumes that can be used to tell us for our drill target as we go down in depth. The IP is therefore a key tool that we often use to determine where we wish to drill, and once we have drill intercepts we can then help to see some of the potential volume to interpret where we have veins and where we potentially have large disseminated bodies. We've now seen two techniques that help in making a major mineral discovery: IP and magnetics. Thank you for watching this video of John Mark's Geotutorial.